So today was the first live drop of a M67 grenade from a small UAS, or Skydio X10 Delta UAV. And so we're out here at range 132 at Grafenwoehr, and we had 10 planned drops, and our first test was a success. It was the first live ordnance drop from a small UAS. For a conventional army, that's a big step for 7th ATC, 173rd, who we partnered with, and JMPG, the unit that I'm in. So we were able to conduct the first test, very successful, and then we'll continue with follow-on tests and hopefully provide the information back to the Army enterprise.
We've actually been on the ground for about 3 weeks, and it's a great feat for us. The Multinational Training Group, we do a lot of things. We have teams that support in different ways. We have an innovation team, which is here right now. But today, they're working with a couple of different UAVs. They're using different UAVs, one to actually conduct the operation, and others to observe, as well as to intercept, just in case we have any situations that arise. In addition to that, there's other equipment that they're using as far as how to drop. So we're doing live drops right now. We're doing M67 fragmentation grenades. So with those pieces of equipment, the good thing about it is with the innovation team, they've learned how to adapt it, how to actually place them on the UAVs themselves. Really, the purpose of this training is more of innovation. It's to do things that we've not done before, to extend ourselves beyond what we're currently capable to do.
My role downrange was the rigger, so I would attach the grenade to the drone dropping system. What that entails is making sure the dropper is functional, and then making sure the grenade is secured on there with the pin in the correct position, removing the safety clip, and making sure it's secured. It went really well. We had a successful drop, the first successful live drop in GTA, and it was a great success.